distinguished guests, esteemed colleagues, members of our academic community, guests and students. My name is Keti, as was mentioned, Ketevan Darakhvelidze, Chancellor of Ilia State University, and I'm gladly also serving kind of the project coordinator for this collaboration, the initiative. Today we kick off the training bootcamp program, the Georgian implementation science training program titled as GIFTS, which is for the real world scientists and researchers and professionals in healthcare field. And this collaboration is a commitment and kind of proof how the two schools, Ilia State University Faculty of Medicine, the School of Medicine, and Yale School of Medicine and Public Health School are collaborating together to push the innovation and the good and public well-being in healthcare. And this is kind of the proof how dedicated we are, these two bilateral partnerships. With this program, this is a comprehensive program, but with this training as well, we aim to enhance the capacity of the professionals, researchers, academics, and students as well, those who would like to bring change in healthcare and community well-being through the implementation science. I Googled what the implementation science was, and I'm sure the colleagues will be explaining that with more expertise, and all this bootcamp is dedicated to that. But that's interesting, like how we try to fill the gap, the research to practice gap, and how we could have the research findings linked and have this nexus to the evidence-based practices, if I could explain it well. So with this kind of the knowledge, then you could have better design and intervention and evaluation of the actions, how we could improve and have impact on the public health and the well-being of the community. And with this kind of new novelty that is brought to Georgia, this program is brought to Georgia with the Fogarty International Center, which is based, those who would like to have more details, this is based at the US National Institutes of Health, which we are very proud because this is a rare opportunity for Georgia where the NIH and Fogarty are doing actions in Georgia. And we always like to highlight as an institution this support and generous funding that we receive for this intervention. I mentioned this is a novelty, and I hope that you would kind of continue to use this as implementing and introducing this kind of new method of research and linked to the practices, and use it better in your professional career and academic career. We are very privileged to have today the CDC members coming and supporting this bootcamp, because both local CDC, we have had some collaboration at the Ilia State and also with the Washington-based CDC, but this is very important how the joint collaboration can be happening between academia and all the stakeholders involved in this initiative to have kind of a joint effort and joint collaboration to produce better results. As mentioned, this is a kind of the highlight and the flagship collaboration between Yale University and Ilia State University. We are also very proud of that. We come together using our expertise, knowledge, and dedication to produce innovation in Georgia and also help the others. And with this collaboration, this is a kind of a proof example how we are practicing the third mission. Third mission at Ilia State University is kind of cornerstone of our strategic development pillars, meaning that we are open, we would like to disseminate, and we would like to share the knowledge that is happening and produce within these walls, within the university walls, shared with others, the society, as much as possible. So we do everything with and for society. So this is kind of the proof again, how these two universities coming from different continents with this kind of division. Yale University will be doing so much for us with this collaboration, is meaning that the professors had an opportunity to study already at the university, and we will be sending the 6 doctoral students to Yale, and they will be doing hybrid models of both online and offline learning at this university, and this will be fully supported financially by the program. So I would really like to welcome you all. Welcome everyone, the Yale University, our partners, the CDC, and also different organizations to this training program. I'm really thrilled to be welcoming you on behalf of Ilia State University. But before really kicking off this program, I would like to mention and highlight some kind of the appreciation to the US government and the US in general, how much they are doing for us over the past 3 decades. On a personal, professional level, I hold this relationship in high regard because I've been trained in the United States. I have had several opportunities to be on a professional exchange. I worked for Peace Corps, Georgia, and I have developed both professional and friendships and connections to the United States that I cherish every day. And given the recent developments in Georgia, I hope that these relationships will remain unchanged, because this is very important that we continue to have US as a strategic partner and friend for the first place, and also enhance and develop more international links, educational links to the United States. And they have been doing so much lately for Georgia and for Ilia State University. If I mention the programs, how much they have supported over the past 15 years, this is a huge and generous support. You see the new building outside, the technology building, that was also supported and co-funded by the US government. I can mention many, many names and the US government bodies or the NGOs coming from the United States and supporting Ilia State University. We couldn't have done this program or any other significant programs without the support of the US government or US institutions and US NGOs, both technical assistance and financial assistance. And this event also reaffirms how these educational, US-Georgian educational partnerships, and we really value them. Thank you, everyone, each of you, to contribute to this collaboration. I would like to thank, I've met Rick, Altis, Dennis, and Dr. Irma Kirtadze and her team, and also Ilia State University administration, other professors who have made this event possible. This is a huge opportunity for you to learn, take the knowledge and tools, and we could empower you to become better professionals in healthcare and public health. And I'm really happy that this collaboration is happening. Thank you for your time, for being here, and I really wish you a fruitful and inspiring boot camp, everyone. Thank you.